Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Have you tried learning Arabic before and found the teaching methods to be ineffective? Did you find these methods to focus too heavily on Arabic grammar and too little on vocabulary and its application? Did you know that key to learning a new language is to acquire the essential vocabulary in that language and to apply that in real life? I've designed this course which focuses on the most commonly used Arabic vocabulary and its application. It doesn't overburden with the Arabic grammar, rather it only gives you the essential rules so you could begin to apply the vocabulary you learned to create your own sentences. If you have done some Arabic before and find the first few lessons to be easy, I would still recommend you to watch the lessons because it will strengthen your foundations. This is very essential because each lesson builds on the previous lesson. Also, if you watch the lesson and don't understand it fully, I would recommend you to watch it many times as it takes you to understand it properly. Because the things will get easier if your foundations are strong. Many people make the mistake of rushing and not focusing enough on the foundations, and they suffer in the long run due to that. To make things easier, I'm using a specific book called The New Arabic, a Written Language. I believe this is one of the best, if not the best book to learn Arabic for English speakers. You could find the PDF in the project section so you could follow along. The lesson will be divided into two parts. In the first part, I will give you some of the essential grammar rules which we're going to use in the lesson. And in the second part, we will do the translation exercises using the vocabulary given at the end of each chapter. I will give you the page number both for the vocabulary and the translation exercises so you could follow along from the PDF provided in the project section. Also, I will not attempt all the exercises with you guys because I would like you guys to have a go on your own so you can build confidence and start speaking Arabic straight away. If you liked what you heard, then join me on the first lesson. Jazakumullahu khairan.